At Windy City Wire, we don't want to simply sell cable. We want to provide comprehensive cable management solutions. All of our products are created with a commitment to excellence. From our SmartWire cables to our patented RackPack field system solution, Windy City Wire is offering real solutions to real issues faced by integrators in the field every day. This is the RackPack. Each RackPack comes with custom printed details with easy-to-identify color ID tags and a unique conductor ID and QR code. RackPacks can also be customized with your logo printed on your orders, displaying your brand on every job site. It's constructed with easy-to-carry dual handles and a patented side hole for use with our transportation devices. The RackPack's unique construction of a wooden spool suspended by two heavy-duty end caps allows for smooth tangle-free cable pulls. Our RackPacks are designed to fit conveniently on our custom transporters, the RackStack, RackTrack, and the Grab and Go. Simply load your RackPacks and secure them with rods and clips. All SmartWire cables come in RackPack boxes. Meet the Grab and Go, the most compact and convenient way to move and pull cable around most job sites. The RackStack's lightweight design accommodates enough cable for most low-voltage applications. The RackTrack, designed for most large-scale installations. Windy City Wire has designed the RackPack Field System Solution product line to provide technicians a means to complete more installations in less time. Contact us and connect with our dedicated team today.